Welcome back to DelphStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix Black Ops 7 not launching, freezing, crashing, showing a black screen, or not loading on Steam PC. If the game does not start or keeps crashing, the first thing we should do is check the game files. Sometimes files get corrupted and Steam needs to fix them. Open Steam and go to your library. Find Black Ops 7 in the list and right-click on it. I don't have the game installed, but the process is the same for any game. Click on Properties. Now open the Installed Files tab. Here, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the game and re-download any missing or broken files. Wait for this process to finish, then close Steam and try launching the game again. Another very important fix is disabling the Steam overlay. The overlay can cause freezing and crashing in some games. Right-click on Black Ops 7 and click on Properties. Stay in the General tab. Here you will see an option called Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Uncheck this option. Close the Properties window and restart Steam. If the issue is still there, the next step is updating your graphics card drivers. To do this, open your graphics control panel, like NVIDIA Control Panel or AMD software. Look for an option to check for updates and install the latest driver. You can also go directly to the NVIDIA or AMD website, search for your GPU model, and download the newest driver from there. After updating, restart your PC. Now, let us check Windows updates. Missing system updates can also stop games from loading correctly. Press the Windows key and type Windows Update. Open it and click on Check for Updates. If updates are available, install them and restart your computer. This helps fix system bugs that can affect games. After doing all these steps, launch Black Ops 7 again from Steam. In most cases, the game should now start normally without freezing, crashing, or showing a black screen. Thanks for watching.